welcome to day 5 of December Daily. I'm using again one of Bree's prompts, which is adventure for today. I'm starting off this time by using a new die cut that I got from AliExpress. Surprise, surprise. And I will link the link. I will put the link down in the description box below. I love this die cut so much, and I really wanted to use it for today's spread. So I am just constructing this bow by gluing all the different parts together. So I'm just doing a single side today, since yesterday I also only used a single side for December 4th. So here you see today's prompt is adventure. And I wanted to then continue by putting down some background papers. So I find these nice subtle beige ones that I thought would work very nicely with the spread on the left side. So I'm just cutting that down to fit the width of the page. Doing the same thing with the second sheet. And then I would like to show a torn edge, which in the end doesn't really make any difference because I'm covering it up anyway, but I don't know this at this point yet. So that's exactly where that red bow is going to go. And here I'm just cutting it down to fit exactly the width of that pattern paper. And then I wanted to use these tag stamps, which are from a local store. And I thought I was going to use this one because it's the widest one I have. And I was hoping that the word adventure would fit in there. So I'm just constructing the word adventure now. It's quite a long word and I realize it doesn't fit, so I have to look for an alternative, and I come up with another die cut, which is this tag shaped one. Is it tag shaped? I don't know what you'd call that shape. And I use that same paper again that I used on the background, and I just run that through my Sizzix die cut machine. And I then, of course, ink the edges. Oh, I'll do that afterwards, sorry. So first I stamp an adventure on that. And I just glue that down along with the bow. Now for the writing on the bottom, I had decided I wanted to write about the adventure that I am embarking on very, very soon. Starting in January, I am going to, at the end of December, I have quit my full-time job at the school where I'm currently still at, and I'm going to be taking some courses, probably for about a year actually, So I'll be taking some drawing courses and some teaching courses. And during that time, I'm also going to focus on hopefully building my brand and becoming an entrepreneur, which is really, really scary for me. I've never been self-employed and I'm scared as hell, but at the same time, it's a really, really good feeling. I really want this current job to be the last job I ever have as an office job, um, which I've had for so long, and this has been coming for such a long time for me, and I'm finally I feel I'm brave enough to do this, and I figure even if I fall flat on my nose, I will have learned from it no matter what happens. But having said that, I am optimistic and I do believe that doors will open for me because I just feel in my gut that this is the right path and that I need to do this now. Because what else should I wait for? I just feel the time is right and that this is right for me. So please wish me luck. I hope I'm doing the right thing. And I so much appreciate that you're watching this and that you are supporting my endeavors. Thank you so much. Bye bye.